Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Mobility. I'm going to do a short review on my favorite bariatric folding power chair. So what we have here is the City 2 Plus by Travel Buggy. This is a heck of a unit. This has a 395-pound weight capacity that's going to go up to 15-mile range and have about 4.5-mile-an-hour top-end speed. Now, I will tell you this does fold. When it's fully together, it is 75 pounds, as you see it right here. And if I was to fold it up, it stays 75 pounds. Now, you are able to take the rear wheels off, which I will show you in the longer video over review that we have. But this wheels will come off on each side, and you're able to drop it down to 47 pounds. So 47 pounds is as light as you're going to get it with the rear motor assemblies. It's 2 quick pins and 2 quick disconnects to unplug the rear motors, and they slide right off on each side. But now they did come out with this new version as of just this week when I got it in. So this has been out for a while, but they made a few enhancements to it. What I love about this chair is this chair does have a tab over here on the side, and so you do have limited recline. You can push the chair forward and back. You can get adjustable. You can really get comfortable in the unit. On top of that, they also have an adjustable foot plate. You can pull these two tabs, and you're really able to adjust the length of the foot plate. So if you're really tall, 6'5" and plus, this is going to be really, really nice for you to have your feet way out here instead of way tucked up here. That's kind of a problem we used to see, people's knees being kind of up in their chests. So they come out with a great solution on having an adjustable foot plate that does flip up and in and out of the way for easy access. They also added right here on top of these new design, they added a little bit of suspension right here, this little coil, which is going to help dampen the ride. You do have dual batteries. It does pull off each battery. You are going to get about 4.5 miles an hour top end speed. Each battery is removable. It is only a total of 288 watt hours combined between the two batteries, so you are approved for all types of transportation. Another thing I really like about this unit too is they have metal pistons under the arms. So if you see this metal piston, one, it flips up all the way out of the way so you don't have any plastic housing that might kind of get into your back if you want to do any slide transfers. But on top of that, really what's awesome is you can put all your weight on this unit and those armrests do not flex. They thought about it as well. They do come standard with 18 inches in between the arms, but they give you 4 spacers and all the tools needed in the bag underneath the seat. So you are able to make this 23 inches in between the armrests if you need more room. Now that will increase your overall width. Currently, it's about 23 to 24 inches, so just remember if you're going to add 5 inches to it, you're going to be somewhere in that 28 to 29 inches in overall width to clear a door frame. Now, I can tell you I have heavy-set users that are all the way at that 395-pound weight capacity, and they love the unit. It's really comfortable. It's very dependable. You do have solid tires all the way around. Your seat on this unit measures almost 18 inches wide by about 19 inches in depth, and it does come in different colors for the seat. There's a few different colors on the website you can look at, and the frame does come in the silver like you see here, or it can come in a black color as well. So this unit here is, in my opinion, the best on the market currently for bariatric and folding power chairs. It's the City 2 by Travel Buggy. I'm going to go ahead outside now and do a little short driving demonstration, so follow us out there. This is the City 2 Plus by Travel Buggy. This is the 395-pound bariatric power chair. I mean, you can see I'm 6 foot tall, 220 pounds. This is the standard seat that's going to have the 18 inches between the armrests, but you are able to put the spacers and get more depth. Like I said, I can even then go from here, and I think I can go all the way to here and a foot plate adjustment. So just look at my legs and how they're angled. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, so you can see it's not even anywhere up in my chest. You can bring this all the way back in if you want, and even at the end position at my height, it's still very comfortable. Joystick can go on right or left. They all come standard with the cup holder. And then you can see it's gonna have a pretty good turning radius. Now, it doesn't have the fastest acceleration overall, but it is a nice, powerful unit. You can go somewhat in the grass, which I kind of do with some chairs, but it's not really intended for that, so it would be really hard, compact surfaces is what I would recommend with this unit. But if you're looking for a unit that folds up, that supports up to 395-pound capacity, like I say, currently on the market today, there's nothing better than this unit right here. This is the City 2 by Travel Buggy.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.